So, hi Renee, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Well, we are glad to have you here to talk about your patient history with Premium Care. So, I'm going to make you some questions about your journey, about your trip. And the first one is, with all the choices you had to have surgery in the United States, why did you decide to come to Colombia to Premium Care to have surgery with us?
Well, I was scheduled actually with one of the best Beverly Hills surgeons.
Okay.
I was only going to be able to do a portion of my surgery within a year's time. I was having some issues with office staff, and I was searching for other options. Initially, I was going to go internationally, possibly to the Philippines. However, I was noticing those doctors, one, weren't American board certified, and two, they mostly did breasts, like implants, and I didn't need implants. And then the next search engine was, boom, Premium Care plastic surgery. So I looked into that, watched a lot of YouTube videos,
Okay.
checked Dr. Campbell's credentials, and I put in and asked for a quote. It was amazing. He did training in Beverly Hills, and he just happens to have his practice in Colombia. Due to the fact of the financial benefit for me, I was actually able to take care of my entire 120-pound weight loss surgery within a 3-month period, but 2 visits coming back to Colombia and Dr. Campbell. And it's been awesome, because if I had stuck with the Beverly Hills surgeon instead, it would have been at least a whole year, if not 2-year process.
Wow, that's powerful.
Yeah.
And what was your first impression of Cartagena? How do you like the city?
Well, when we got picked up from the airport the first time, my husband came with me, and right along the drive is the Caribbean Sea, and it was just amazing and beautiful. And then I returned the second time all by myself, but everything was the same. It was beautiful, and because I was familiar with the city, I ventured out here in Old Town all by myself, and I felt comfortable, even though I speak a little Spanish.
Okay.
I liked being able to barter and buy like little things I was looking at previously that I wanted now. I feel really safe. There's a lot of police presence, just in case if you feel hesitant, because you feel protected even though you don't quite speak Spanish as well as you would hope. And then from the Premium Care Suites, you have the ocean sound and the view in your room, and it's just amazing.
Wow. Okay, thank you. And what were your emotions before the surgery? How did the Premium Care staff, including the surgeons, help you in that regard?
Well, having been here twice, my first surgery, things were unknown. I had the stomach butterflies, like pre-surgery and everything. And Dr. Campbell and the staff were reassuring, and I had seen so many YouTube videos that I knew what to expect. So when I was wheeled into the operating room and it was everything that was shown, it was comforting, because I knew what I saw is exactly how they do it here. And that was comforting, just the fact that what I saw is as sold. The staff, especially the housekeepers, Diana, she's my favorite. And they're just a bright light in the morning when you wake up to have your breakfast. They try to take care of you the best they can. And returning this time by myself, just the staff being so positive, the best they can be, is really reassuring. And if for some reason I feel I need a fix later, I would definitely come back and stay in the recovery suites.
Wow, that's very interesting, because actually I was going to ask you, how has the staff helped you with your post-operative care?
Well, it's amazing. I have so many friends who either have it done in the U.S. with insurance, or they pay out of pocket. And basically, the second they're done with their operation, they're getting wheeled out of there and getting sent home or to a hotel. And no one there from the staff that did the operation on them is taking care of them at all. I come out of recovery with a nurse with me. I leave with a nurse with me, and then I have a nurse with me the entire night. This time, because I didn't have my husband with me, I needed a little more assistance, and the nurse, she and I dealt with some of the hiccups that come along with being really sore and so forth, and that was really, really nice.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that. And well, we want to thank you for sharing your journey with us. There is just one more thing that I want to ask you, and it is, what would you say to a person who is thinking about having surgery in Cartagena at Premium Care?
I would say don't be hesitant. All of Dr. Campbell's credentials are real. He really is an American board certified plastic surgeon. It's the best of both worlds, because when you come here to Cartagena, everything is so affordable, and you're taken well care of, taken care of well, and the safety appears to be top notch. I've asked around regarding the MediHealth clinic where the surgeries are performed, and even the locals say that that's a very good place. And I've been there twice, and I can't say it's not. I've had at least 2 American surgeries, and they're equal, if not better, because the staff is, they're really actually looking out for you, the staff of Premium Care, making sure everything is well correlated between the hospital staff and the Premium Care staff. So they have a really good connection and relationship with the clinic. And like I said, I would come back for a third time if I needed to be. So I wouldn't be hesitant, because even the people in Cartagena, they want you here. They want to take care of you, and you feel safe. And I'd return again if I needed to, because that's how well I've been treated.
Okay. Renee, thank you so much.
Welcome.